Hello, today I will demonstrate you how to use the bite tubes. They come in 3 different toughness levels, the soft one, the medium one and the harder one, and you can use them as all the grabbers for encouraging chewing and biting. What I like most about them is using the soft one in order to introduce a new taste inside the mouth when I'm doing feeding therapy. For example, after practicing some chewing, I will insert some chocolate syrup inside the hole. And you can see how easily it comes out as the child bites the tube. You can even use it with something a little bit harder if you want to introduce solid food. I'm using this little cracker. It goes nicely inside the hole, and I ask the child to bite and then chew. And even if I want to introduce this little piece, you see, it's very safe to introduce something solid, because as you bite, the child bites the tube, actually bites also the little cracker. So it's a very safe way. That's nice. Now, if you were questioning how am I going to clean the tube, I wash it first and then I use these cotton swabs, very good idea, to clean whatever is left inside. Thank you very much.